Good morning, YouTube. We are back at Authentic Details, and we're continuing on with the 4 of 8 restoration. And today, we're going to make my wheels look perfect. They're going to be glorious. It's going to be epic.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience, buying and selling, maintaining them, DIY work on them, and even restoration projects like this. So we have my wheels, we have taken them off, and I sent them out to get restored, and they look ridiculously good. Take a look at this. Okay, so I'm going to show you the before pictures, and then we're going to take a closer look at the afters. As you can see, my wheels had some significant damage. Unfortunately, the last owner had curbed them a few times, and well, I'll admit, I curbed them at least once for sure that I remember. Sorry. It turns out these are actually HRE wheels, so we thought they were, and once we got them off, we kind of flipped them over and looked at them, and yes, they are HRE wheels. As you can see, some of this curb rash we now have fixed. So take a look at this. At the recommendation of Brad, we actually put a metallic flake in the paint. So these aren't just black anymore, they have a black metallic shine, and oh my lord, they look so good. Amazing job. There is no damage whatsoever. Everything feels perfectly smooth on the edges. All the curb rash is gone. Take a look at some of these other wheels. Oh, just look at that. And it's awesome because you can't really see the metallic from a distance. You can see if I zoom out, not really anything you can tell, but then once you get really nice and close, you can start seeing that metallic flake start showing up. Oh, there you go. Look at that. That looks so good. And yes, all of that damage is gone. These things look so good. Oh man, I'm so happy that I finally have wheels that I'm not embarrassed about. So if you do need to get your wheels repaired and you're in the Austin area, go visit All American Wheel Pros. Their website is aawpros.com. You guys remember Brad? That's Brad. Hi, Brad. Did you know that today is his birthday?
It is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'm at 27 now.
I mean, I thought you were at least 28.
Yeah, no, I'm still 27.
Okay.
I've been 27 for a while.
Damn, like 27 years?
Yeah, something like that. We'll go with that.
Brad, thank you for the recommendation for All American Wheel Pros #1, because wow, this looks really, really good. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. And second of all, good call on the color choice. So I was actually gonna do black again, and Brad was like, no, trust me, you want to do metallic. Yeah. And thank God you said that, because look at that. Oh,
it's super subtle, but I think it makes just a little
just
bit
like
of
you
pop.
you get the light on it. It just looks so good.
And the sun, they look really good.
Oh yeah.
You get it on the side. You just see that little bit of a sparkle. Looks nice.
Good
really
call,
nice.
man. Plus, you got the hookup with All American Wheel Pros. So
yeah, I had these sent back because there was a little bit of dirt that I saw in the paint, and thankfully Silvia was very gracious and said, "Hey, send them back to me. I'll pick them up." And she repaired the issues, or I think she redid a couple of them just to make sure that they were perfect for you, because I told him he's got to be perfect. So there's a little bit of things I need to do to the wheels, just to make sure that they're even more perfect. A little bit of polishing here and there, and then we're going to actually do a ceramic coating on them, so they'll be real easy for you to keep clean. We'll do the face, all the spokes, and then we'll do the back here,
the barrel,
which would be really nice whenever you're cleaning them.
I was about to say, yeah, the barrel gets super gross.
Yep. Having them coated will make a huge difference.
Thank you. Yes, that'll be much welcomed on my part.
Yeah. That's what I'm about to do next. I'm gonna get a couple things, and I'm gonna bring a light over here before I start polishing, and then we'll make them look good and coat them.
Sweet. All right, show me the wisdom.
I don't know if that'll show up in camera, but there's like right in here.
It's kind of like
there's like a
slight discoloration.
A little bit of abrasions from where they probably sanded on the.
Okay, so we're gonna fix that.
Yep.
Sweet.
So we're gonna polish on that a little bit.
Oh, you got a wee little polisher.
Yeah. This Rupes nano polishers. These things are great for small areas like this.
What stuff are you using?
This is just McGuire's 205, which is a
205. Okay.
It's a polish, a light polish. Some of those are a little deep.
Hard to see. Yeah, I can see with my eye. I don't know if the camera can see it. It's like
it's right in here. You can really see that metallic under these lights though.
Yeah, you can. Come on, focus, focus, focus. There it goes. Yeah, you can kind of see the discoloration like right there, right where the spoke kind of comes together. Pretty insignificant, but does not pass those eyes.
Nope. Perfectionist Brad. Here we go again.
What's that?
My secret sauce.
Oh, that's secret sauce? Alright, we won't tell what it is then.
There we go. So see, that's what I was looking for. See how it looks a lot more like glassy and clear?
Yep.
That's
it's
what we
got
want.
like the reflection is pretty perfect now.
And with metallic, that's what we want. We want a really nice clarity so all the flake will come
You can
through
actually see it, yeah.
when the sun hits it.
Damn. It's looking so good.
That's what I'm looking for.
Alright, so you got it all polished? Or getting there?
Getting there.
Getting there?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this barrel too real quick.
Alright, we're gonna get the inside. Alright, I think Brad is generally content now.
Generally content, yeah.
Generally content. Because I don't think you're ever content, are you?
Mm-mm. No, I can always find something.
It's the problem with aiming for perfection. It's impossible.
It is.
Yeah.
But these look pretty good, I think.
Yeah, that looks oof,
Super nice.
so much better than before. Dang.
I'm gonna fix one thing. See, finding more stuff already. I'm like, I'd like to do this one more thing real quick.
Just gotta get this, just gotta get that. Alright, alright.
One other thing.
In case you're wondering, HRE K1M 20 by 11. So it's the K1M, does that sound right? That could be it. I don't know. I don't know wheels.
All right, here we go. We're gonna put this coating on, and then
So what is this coating?
this is just ceramic light. This is one of our quick coatings.
Quick coating, okay.
I like it because it's super easy to put on. It's got a lot of durability. We have a wheel coating as well, but since these are so fresh, I'm a little nervous on putting those on right now.
Okay.
So we'll come back in a year or so and just put a new coating on.
Polish it off.
Mm-hmm.
By the way,
Try it. You want to see how easy this stuff is to work with? It'll blow your mind, dude. It's like
oh yeah.
this
Yeah.
stuff's like a sealant.
Okay.
Give it a try.
Alright, alright. I mean, the cloth just like slides right off.
Yeah, so that's I like this coating because it's really slick.
Yeah. It feels like it's just like I'm not doing anything.
Like, you know, most coatings are grippy. They're hard to get off. You know, to get it off the paint and stuff. But this coating goes on and off like a sealant.
Brad's putting me to work. I'm trying not to screw it up. Oh, it looks so good. Look at this. Look at that. So shiny. All right, so one cool thing is with the ceramic coating, just holding the wheels, they feel slippery. It's pretty impressive. All right, we gotta bring the wheels home and then we're gonna get some tires on it. So we're gonna do that next.
Eventually.
Good morning, YouTube. So we're back in my garage. It's actually been a few weeks since the last time you saw me in this video. I was hoping to get my tires put on the wheels and then get the wheels on the car, but as you can see, I still don't have tires. So part of it is there's been some weird production issues due to the thing going on right now that you're all aware of that I'm not supposed to talk about. I ended up switching to a different type of tires and those are supposed to come in very soon. I just wanted to get this video done because I felt bad that here I was getting hooked up with some awesome service by All American Wheel Pros and they weren't getting any credit for it. So you guys need to go check out All American Wheel Pros. It's aawpros.com. They also have a Facebook page. Silvia does an amazing job. Look at these wheels. Just take a look at them again one more time. Just look at that. They look absolutely perfect. Ah, they are so good. So beautiful. I am so sad that we can't see them on the car. It's so disappointing that they're not in the car. Well, like many things in life, the more you have to wait for it, the more you're gonna appreciate it once you finally get it. So as soon as we get these wheels, I'm gonna show you some pictures of the car. I'm gonna post them on my Instagrams. Go to Normal Guy Supercar on Instagram. You can go check those out as soon as I have them, which should be very soon. And then it's supposed to rain for like a week straight. So I'm not even be able to drive the car once I get tired. It seems like everything's stacked against us. I mean, not just me, like the whole world, right? But I think all things considered, I hope all of you guys are doing well. I hope you're healthy and staying safe and all the crazy stuff going on. That's what's really important. I know I've been stir crazy because I pretty much don't have any reason to go anywhere. So I'm just sitting at home, and the dog's now my best friend. That's how it is. I guess I should go say hi to Mo, huh? You want to go see Mo? Let's go see Mo. Hi, Mo. I know. You weren't out in the garage with me. You were very upset with me. I see how it is. Yeah. You're abused. Oh, life is so rough. I know. All you're doing is getting walks every day, all the time. I know. So rough to be you. Oh yeah, here, I'll get some nubbins, huh? Scratch. Oh yeah, oh, there it is. Yeah, oh, here, I'll flip you over. Oh. So one last time, go to All American Wheel Pros, aawpros.com. They can fix curb rash, they can fix bent wheels in some cases, they can even repaint them and powder coat them. And these are metallic paint. It's absolutely beautiful. I wish I could show you in person how good these look. They don't look as good on camera as they do in person. They're just amazing, absolutely beautiful. So I'm finally, the entire time I've owned this car, I've had curb rash, and it's always embarrassing because, like, you know, people look at it and they're like, oh, he can't drive. And well, admittedly, I did curb it once, but the rest of them were not me. I swear. All right, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're healthy and safe. We're gonna be working on this 430, doing some cool stuff, so stay tuned for all that. Also, don't forget, go to my website, sign up to my email list, or buy some merch at normalguysupercar.com, or become a member of my channel, and you're gonna be automatically entered for a chance to win some of these slip blow scrape guards, or you can go buy some right now at bit.ly/NGS-scrape using the code NGS10. They're gonna hook you up with 10% off your order because they're awesome. It's amazing stuff. Let me show you while the car's up in the air. Check this out. I know some of you were saying, oh, like, does it really work? You know, you didn't really show it that well. Well, yeah, it really works. All right, so these ones right here got beat up pretty hard. You can see the panel didn't get any more damage. There was already a lot of damage on that panel, but they're looking pretty good. We've got a lot of car stuff coming your way. Stay tuned, it's gonna be sweet.